Understanding, you're in good hands. A guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and reassuring English phrase, you're in good hands. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, understanding the nuances of this phrase can add depth to your communication skills. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples to make you feel more comfortable and confident using it in everyday conversations. When someone tells you, you're in good hands, they're essentially reassuring you that you are being taken care of by someone who is capable, skilled, and trustworthy. This phrase is often used in situations where someone might feel anxious or uncertain, such as visiting a doctor, undergoing a new experience, or when entrusting a task to someone else. The underlying message is one of comfort and confidence in the abilities of the person or people involved. You're in good hands can be used in various contexts, from professional settings to personal interactions. Here are some common situations where this phrase might be appropriate. Medical settings. Doctors or nurses might use this phrase to reassure patients before a procedure. Business and services. Companies often assure clients of their high-quality service with this phrase. Personal reassurances. Friends or family might use it when they introduce you to someone who will help or guide you. It's important to use this phrase when you genuinely believe in the capability and reliability of the person or service you're referring to. This builds trust and comfort. Let's look at some examples to see how you're in good hands can be used in sentences. 1. Medical scenario. I understand surgery can be daunting, but you're in good hands with Dr. Smith. She's the best in her field. 2. Business context. Don't worry about the project. You're in good hands. Our team has successfully handled many similar projects before. 3. Personal setting. I'm leaving you in good hands with Alex while I'm away. He knows the city well and will show you around. These examples showcase the versatility of the phrase in offering reassurance across different scenarios. And there you have it. The phrase, you're in good hands, is a wonderful way to offer comfort, reassurance, and trust in someone's abilities or services. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Remember, learning and using new phrases not only enhances your language skills but also helps you connect more deeply with others. Thank you for watching, and we hope you're feeling more confident in your English learning journey. See you in our next video.